Hi, this video is about our entering ELL students. There's been a lot of discussion how best to service these students. We want them to come into our classrooms and feel welcomed and know what's going on. So in the Office 365 suite, there's certainly Translate and Immersive Reader. But for our entering ELL students, we need to go a little bit deeper and set their settings to Spanish language. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so let's start in a web browser. Go to the right-hand side, the three ellipses, all the way down to settings. Left-hand side, go down to languages, noting the translate feature icon. Click on that. Now, we want to get rid of this English language entirely. We have to add a language in order to do that. You'll click Add a Language, type in Spanish, click on Latin America, click Add. Okay, we want English to go down here, and we want Spanish to be at top. In order to do that, we have to click on the three ellipses again, and we have to move English down. If I click on Spanish, three ellipses, note I cannot remove or delete this because it's at top. English being the bottom line, if you hit the three ellipses or click them, you can remove it. So remove. Make sure this is toggled to on. Offer to translate pages that aren't in a language I read. And you're done. So let's see how this works. Let's go into a Scholastic Scope and outside our organization. And note that there is the translate button icon. So click on that. Note that always translate pages from English is not clicked on. So I'm going to show you what that looks like if we unclick it and we just click translate. Okay, we can come down here. There's plenty, everything is translated, plenty of examples here to see how that's translated. If you go into the exploration part, and let's just take a look at this. Let's look at the story. Note the translating button is doing its job. And if we look at the story, note it's still translating. There's quite a bit here, and it's translated now. These are tools and tips and tricks that we can share with our students, with our entering ELL students, best way possible. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Always Translate Pages from English. Done. Let's go to News ELA. Did you see that it automatically changed even a Google search? Right? So let's click on News ELA. And you're always going to see this button at work. Give this a whirl. Obviously, this is a teacher profile, but everything is translated for them. It will translate the articles as well. If we want to go to something fun, ESPN.com, note, translating is working. Right? And then when it is finished, it'll say translated, and then it'll go away. Really a neat feature, And to turn this feature on and off is really, really simple. If you have any questions, if you want us to do this for your students, please do not hesitate to reach out. We will certainly work with your student and get this done for you. It's really, really powerful and can really impact the child.